Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Business Standard Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 25, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Column F. 10th row. We have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F. We have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 5. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column F. 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 8. 6th row and 3rd row we have 3. So 3 can't come the cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 10th row we have 3. Column C, column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 10th row we have pair numbers 4, 6, 9. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. 10th row we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 9. 5th row we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 2. Column G, column I we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 7. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column J, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 4. Second row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, 5th row and 7th row we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 4. Column E also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade and second row we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade. Then column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. Second row and 5th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, second row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. 6th row we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the two cells. 7th row we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Seventh row, sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, and then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 6th row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 6. 5th row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. There are only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 5th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.